In the heart of the 19th century, amidst the bustling streets of Munich, Germany, a brilliant yet humble man named Max Karl Ernst Ludwig Planck took his first breath. Little did the world know that this physicist would soon shake the foundations of science with his groundbreaking work. Born into a family of esteemed academics, Planck was destined for greatness from the start. Yet, it was not until he found himself teaching physics at the University of Berlin that he would stumble upon a puzzle that would consume his every waking thought. The puzzle was the blackbody radiation problem, an enigma that had confounded the greatest minds of the age. The theory of classical physics could not explain the spectral distribution of blackbody radiation. This conundrum was like a mathematical mystery wrapped in a scientific riddle, and Planck was determined to unravel it. In 1900, Planck attended a meeting of the German Physical Society, where he listened to a lecture by Wilhelm Wien, who proposed a relationship between the wavelength of blackbody radiation and its intensity. Inspired, Planck returned home and began to work on a solution. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, as Planck wrestled with the problem. Finally, in October 1900, he made a breakthrough. He introduced the concept of quanta, asserting that energy could only be emitted or absorbed in discrete, finite amounts. This revolutionary idea, known as Planck's quantum theory, was met with skepticism and disbelief. Nevertheless, Planck stood by his theory. He argued that it was the only way to reconcile the laws of thermodynamics with the observed spectral distribution of blackbody radiation. His peers may have scoffed, but the evidence was irrefutable. The announcement of Planck's quantum theory marked a turning point in the history of physics. It heralded the birth of a new era, one where energy was no longer thought of as a continuous flow but as tiny, indivisible packets. Planck's work paved the way for the development of quantum mechanics, a field that would fundamentally change our understanding of the universe. His name would be forever etched in the annals of science, a testament to the power of human intellect and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. In the end, Max Planck's quantum leap was not just a leap for physics, it was a leap for humanity. It demonstrated that even the most entrenched beliefs can be challenged, and that sometimes, the greatest breakthroughs come from the most unexpected places. Today, as we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, we stand on the shoulders of giants like Max Planck. His legacy lives on, inspiring a new generation of scientists to push the boundaries of what we know and to dare to question everything.